With thousands of thermal supplies combinations available, each with varying degrees of performance and price, it can be difficult to identify the optimal solution for your specific application. Let Zebra guide you. At our Global Supplies Research and Development Lab in our corporate headquarters, we stringently follow a supplies test protocol. As we continue to develop new technology, our quality assurance grows and adapts as well. Our testing covers production trial, print quality, printer wear and tear, and application testing. In our production trial, Zebra's testers identify any converting limitations, such as evaluating how well we can cut the material and strip the matrix, and the compatibility and durability of pre-printed colors. Zebra maintains its reputation for exceptional print quality through exhaustive testing conducted on Zebra printers. Traditionally, print quality is measured by the ANSI grade of a barcode. Text and images are evaluated subjectively. We do more. To objectively measure text and image quality, Zebra developed a visual print quality system. We use a special label format that allows us to quantify print quality at different print speeds, darkness settings, and on pre-printed color and varnishes. The choice of supplies is proven to impact the life of your printer. Zebra's testing ensures the material does not cause premature wear and tear of your printer. We look for buildup of residue from the material coating, preprints and varnishes, as well as adhesive buildup. Zebra also tests the material for use under different conditions, making sure the labels will perform to Zebra's standards in the environments where they will be used. We test the image's durability to abrasion, the adhesive strength on different surfaces, its durability in extreme temperatures, resistance to chemicals, and the ability to last outdoors. Zebra also supports compliancy testing and has a wide selection of UL-tested and approved materials. Zebra's test protocol ensures genuine Zebra supplies will provide consistent and reliable performance, reducing downtime and extending the life of your printer. When you buy supplies that carry the Zebra name, you get the same commitment to lasting quality and performance that has made Zebra a global leader in thermal printing solutions. For more information on Zebra supplies, visit www.zebra.com/supplies.